everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali. Today I have a great recipe for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to make chicken lettuce wraps. So let's go down the list with our ingredients. We're going to start here with 2 pounds of ground chicken, sriracha, soy sauce, chopped garlic, sesame oil, hoisin sauce. We have some onion, ginger, and the water chestnuts, chives, 2 bell peppers, green and red, and our romaine lettuce, and salt and pepper for taste. And we're going to top it off with our chow mein noodles. So what I did, I already got my frying pan heating up, and it's on medium heat. So you could come this way so you can show them how we're going to cook our chicken. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And it's already pretty hot. Okay, so I have my ground chicken here. I'm gonna dump it in here. We're gonna cook the chicken until it browns. We'll come back to check on our chicken, and meanwhile, I'm gonna show you guys how to prepare the sauce. So while the chicken's cooking, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the sauce. This is pretty easy, but I like to have it ready beforehand. So I'm gonna, I have here the hoisin sauce. I got this at the Asian market, so that was pretty easy to purchase. I'm gonna use 1/4 of a cup. Smells good. Okay. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm so happy to be making this recipe for you guys because I could eat this all week long. I love chicken wraps. And we have the sriracha, 1 tablespoon. You guys could use a little more if you guys want it a little spicier. I'm only gonna do 1 tablespoon for today. And I have my chopped garlic, 1/2 teaspoon. And I have here the sesame oil. I'm only doing 1/2 teaspoon. And I have my ginger. This is also 1/2 teaspoon. I'm going to mix this all together. Okay, let's go check on our chicken. So like you can tell, it's not ready yet. So we're just going to be stirring it around, breaking it apart until it turns brown. And once it does, then I'll show you guys the next step. Alright, so our chicken took 10 minutes to cook. Remember, if you have more chicken, it's going to take a little longer, and I do have 2 pounds of chicken here. So I'm going to add my onion. This is finely diced, and it's less than half an onion. I'm also going to add my bell peppers. And we'll let this cook together, and we'll come back. Our bell peppers cook together with the chicken for 3 minutes. One reminder, when you guys are cooking the chicken with your spatula, make sure that you guys are breaking it apart. So come here so they can see how it's all crumbling. We want to make sure that it's broken apart so you get this crumbly look for the chicken, okay? And we're going to add our salt. And the pepper. And this is all to taste. Stir it in together. Look how pretty that looks. And it smells delicious. Okay, we're going to add our sauce. If you guys want, you guys could also make a little more sauce and add it. And if you want it heavy on the sauce, it's you guys' recipe. You guys could change it up. The point is to have delicious food. I like how the soy sauce smells. Oh my god. It's making me so hungry. Oh. Okay, I'm going to add my water chestnuts. Right here. And this is Let's see, 5 ounces. And our chives. Everything has been finely diced. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, well, let's just cook together and we'll come back and I'll show you guys how to dress it up. I'm going to show you guys how to make the lettuce wrap, but before, half an hour before making the chicken, I have a rice cooker. So come here, Kaden, so we can see. So what I did, I cooked some white rice. Ooh, look at that. And this is going to be part of our lettuce wraps. So I'm going to mix it up. So for the romaine lettuce, make sure that when you guys take it apart, you guys do rinse it out. I'm going to choose a good size for mine. Let's see. Well, maybe this one. Okay, so this is like we're going to use it like a base for what we're going to put on it. And I'm going to first do the rice. A little bit more rice because we love rice. Okay. Just like that. And here's your chicken. Oh my god, my mouth is watering. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of my soy sauce. And Sriracha. And these are the Asian noodles. Yes, you get them in the Asian market. And that, you guys, is a lettuce wrap. That's my masterpiece. I'm gonna have this for dinner today. Make sure that if you guys haven't gone to my channel, check it out. And if you guys haven't subscribed, do so please. Also turn on your notifications. I'm gonna be posting more videos. Don't forget to comment. I always respond back to anybody that has any questions, so make sure you do so. I'm gonna have some dinner for right now. But let me see. So the secret to this is to get your lettuce wrap, and it's almost like a baked taco, which makes it easy for me because I love tacos. And I'm gonna just pick it up, and I'm gonna have some dinner. So, provecho.